Hello everyone, learn how to cut and sew this V neckline with me. Your fabric should be on fold this way. Then you come to the top of your fabric and measure out the width of your neck. Mine is 3 inches. Then you come down to measure out the length of your neck. Mine is 5 inches. Then on that 5 inches, I will go in by half an inch. Then I'll connect the 3 dots together. So after connecting all the dots together, go ahead and cut along the line. So once you open it up, this is how it's going to look like. Then go ahead and cut another piece of fabric. The length should be the same with the length of your neckline. The width is 3 inches, on fold is 1.5. Go ahead and iron it. Place it along your neckline. Then measure half an inch all around. This will serve as a guide for you when you are sewing. You do the same thing on the other side. Measure half an inch all around. Then connect all the points together. You can use your pin to hold it down so that it doesn't shift while sewing. If you have pin, you can use it to hold it down. Then I'll head over to my machine and sew it out. At this point, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to hit on the subscribe button. Support me by subscribing to my channel. Like my video, share my video with friends, family, everybody, and do well to comment as well so that YouTube can recommend my video for others to watch. Okay, and most importantly, do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I drop new videos, so that you don't miss out on any video. Thank you so much for doing that. So you come to the bottom of your fabric this way, then you notch it up to the point your sewing stop. Please make sure to not go beyond where your sewing stop. Just notch it up to the point your sewing stop, like this, and do the same thing on the other side. Just come to this side, notch it, open it up to where your sewing stop. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. This is a black fabric and it's not really it's not really bright. So you just fold this other one inside. You fold it inside this way, and then you fold this one inside as well. This is the most important part. Just look how I'm doing it, and then you open to the wrong side, and then you're going to sew on that point. Just sew it here. So that is all for the neckline. So this is the end result. Thank you guys for watching. It's very simple, right? See you in my next video.